Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the economic calendar today. During the London session, we got the release of the German GDP data. As you can see, the German GDP is in line with the expectations, minus 0.1%. The quarterly measure is actually just a little bit better. Instead of the minus 0.1%, it's 0%. So no gross domestic product increase in Germany this time. GfK German Consumer Climate deteriorates from minus 18.4 to minus 22 points. And that's about it. It's becoming really clear that the German economy might be in trouble soon. During the US session, we got data from the Canada. Wholesale sales are scheduled for release at 2:30. Then we got the HPI composite data from the US. The market participants expect a drop from 6.8% to 6.2%. And the key event of the day is scheduled for release at 4 o'clock. CB Consumer Confidence. The confidence should increase from 100.3 to 100.9. German President Joachim Nagel will give a speech at 4 o'clock, and then we got the 2-year note auction at 7 o'clock, and API weekly crude oil stock review at 10:30. So that's about the economic calendar for today. Let's switch to the technical part, and we will start with euro-dollar. The 4-hour chart of the euro-dollar is showing us a slight deterioration towards the level of 1.1151. This is the local low that was made after the movement to the downside. Local high and swing high is still located at 1.1202, and then of course the next technical support is located at 1.1140. So basically this is how it looks like right now. We got this kind of correction here. Let me just find out how big is that correction actually. So from the top to the recent bottom is minus 0.46%, which is not that bad, and this is definitely the shallower correction during this up move. Nevertheless, bearish divergence is looming on the market on 4-hour chart, so possibly the next leg to the downside will be should be expected. Target 1.1142, the technical support. And when we're done with this technical support, maybe the deterioration towards 1.11 itself is even possible. So that's the outlook for the euro dollar. Still looking good, still looking bullish, still looking like some sort of the uptrend is being formed. Nevertheless, please notice the fact that the market is now doing the pullbacks because of the bearish divergence. Crude oil, because of the data from the API in US. Let me just move our line here a little bit. Let me just extend it. There you go. We got definitely a breakout, and then there is very strong movement to the upside, breaking all of this technical resistances, because this time we moving higher from the extremely oversold conditions towards the extremely overbought. The key technical resistance level and the supply zone has been violated as well. 76.39, 76.83. This is the technical supply zone range. So because it was violated, now it will act as a technical support, both of these levels. As you can see, local high was made at the level of 77.59. This will act as the intraday technical resistance as well, and the market is still trying to move higher. The next target might be located. Let me just move this line here. 78.59, and the other level is 79.10. So this is the next target zone, supply zone before the swing high at 80.13 is hit eventually. Right, so this is the outlook for the crude oil. Very big V-shaped reversal here. We can see breakout above the trend line, breakout above 50, 100 periods moving average. Very strong movement, almost green candles. On the daily time frame chart, it will look really impressive. It will look really nice. Look at this, 3 green candles. And on the weekly time frame chart, right, so this is the weekly. Let me just zoom in. There you go. We got the very nice long down shadow from the beginning of the August, and now it looks like the bullish engulfing pattern. Very big, nice green candle. So on the higher time frames, it looks bullish as well. We can see even 5 waves to the upside here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Unless we will switch this one, and then we will count 1, 2, and 3. This is the wave 4, and final movement to the upside as the wave 5 into the extremely overbought market conditions. So it looks very nice as well for the bulls. Higher levels should be reached soon. The other market we want to speak about is US dollar to the Canadian dollar, because we got data today. Data release, and the other reason is that we hit the extremely oversold market conditions on the daily time frame chart, and now the market is of course testing the important technical let's say technical support 1.3479 and 1.3454. So as you can see, the US dollar to the Canadian dollar is going down and the crude oil is going up. At least it was going for the last 3-4 days. So maybe some kind of an inverted correlation is being built here as well. However, what we should expect right now is a slight bounce from the extremely oversold market conditions on US dollar to the Canadian dollar. And the first, let's say, first target, let me just zoom out. First target might be a very important level that I guess is supposed to be tested quite soon. We can do this very nice technical resistance levels, okay, and we can do very necessary for now supply zone. So if we do this like that, and then we know that the range for this eventual bounce is located, the supply zone range is 1.3588, 1.3613. So it's not that bad. We can jump towards this level and then continue lower. However, of course, we will see what the market participants will do here. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Bitcoin daily time frame chart. Is looking bearish because we got the engulfing pattern at the top of the recent rally above the supply zone. So right now we can switch this zone from the supply. This will be the demand zone, but most likely these levels will act as just a simple technical support. Not be, please don't be so keen to treat it as the demand zone. Nevertheless, support is still here. Bearish engulfing pattern into like a skewed harami pattern here with the high at 65,084 is showing us the possibility of some kind of a pullback. The first technical support is being tested right now, 62,761. If there is a bounce here, then of course we should do something like this. If we bounce from this level, the outlook is again bullish, targeting recent swing high and then even higher, because this is not the end of this movement to the downside. To the upside, the target is 68,490. So the Bitcoin is looking bullish as well, despite the fact that we now have the temporary correction, temporary pullback. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.